On the 29th morning of July 2021, a collision had occurred at East Jaintia Hills between a red Maruti Zen and a truck plying from Jowai towards Shillong. A red Maruti Zen had collided with a truck bearing registration number AS01GC7852 at Tuber Tak Niang village in East Jaintia Hills. Sources say that the accident occurred after the red Maruti Zen, which tried to overtake the truck, lost control and dashed towards the side of the other vehicle. In the unfortunate incident, the unidentified driver of the Maruti Zen died on the spot.